Hey guys, so today I'm going to be wearing my makeup for a full 24 hours. I know this sounds crazy. Nikkie Tutorials did this video and I was like, you know what, I want to do it, but I never actually watched her video. I want to just do it off my own back. I don't want to know what the results are going to be. So at the moment it's 7 in the morning. I'm about to leave to go out to work. I've done my full makeup. Usually, like recently, I've only been doing like a little flush of eyeshadow to go into work. But I thought, you know what, I'm gonna do like full eyeshadow so that I can show you guys exactly what happens. I'm gonna sleep in this, you guys. I'm gonna have a deep cleanse after I do this. This is gonna be crazy. So I will do a couple of check-ins to show you what my face is kind of like saying and stuff. But yeah, so just come with me today. The lighting isn't always going to be great, but yeah, come with me today. Let's see what my makeup says and does and blah blah blah. Let's go. Okay guys, so it's like 4 o'clock in the evening. I'm not long supposed to be leaving work. I've had like the longest day. Not before I come into the bathroom to just have a quick look at my makeup and stuff because I have not had a chance to do any check-in. So it's like there's a lot of oil on my nose, forehead, it's like the lights going in and out. Like I just need to blot. It is all gone, rubbed off. Obviously I'm not going to reapply now. My eye makeup, all gold. I look a mess. I look a complete mess. So yeah, I'm done. I feel like I am done. But I will be checking in on. I keep on looking at the screen, but then I know that the actual camera lens is there. So let me just look at the lens. So so I will be doing a check-in when I get home. I'm supposed to be leaving at 5 o'clock, so not long now. Right, so it's been 12 hours. It's 7 p.m. in the evening. I feel icky. I feel disgusting. I feel ugh. Because I've just looked in the mirror and it's like I've got oil all over my nose, all over my forehead. It's like my highlighter is definitely beaming, but I've got oil all over my skin, so it's beaming extra bright. I feel like I'm just breaking down. Obviously all of my lipstick is gone, but it's like because there's no lipstick on, I keep on licking my lips and it's making my lips really sore. And I don't want to put anything on my lips because that's not what I put on this morning, so I'm just gonna tough it out. Now this will be the point where I would be taking my makeup off because I feel horrible. Normally I would have like blotted throughout the day probably about 4 or 5 times, but I haven't blotted at all, so it just feels gross. It feels disgusting. Ugh. So I'm gonna check in with you before I go to bed. I have a ton of stuff that I need to be doing, so I'm just gonna try and put this out of my mind. I'm just trying to get on with what I need to get on with, and I'll check in with you soon. Okay, so it's like almost midnight. I feel like I'm so done with this. It's unbelievable. Like I should have taken my makeup off hours ago. It's like feel the mascara on my eyelashes are breaking down and it's like it's irritating my eyes. Like I'm just a complete and utter grease ball right about now. Like I'm looking at myself in this mirror. Oh my god, like look, there's all eyeshadow that's fallen here. What is that? I don't know what that is. All my T-zone is breaking down. My forehead is all just breaking down. Oh my gosh. The shadow itself looks terrible. Okay, the eyeshadow itself looks absolutely terrible. My nose, like all the tip of my nose, foundation is like so patchy. Like some of it is there, some of it isn't. It's a complete and utter mess. The brows, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like this, like it's separating now. Like the brow is separating. Oh my gosh. Like in between certain parts of the skin, it's like the pencil has separated away from it. Like You guys, I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm going to sleep because I can't put my face in the pillow. Like, I like to lay in the bed and like really get close to my pillow. I can't do that. I'm gonna have to sleep on the back of my head so my face is not touching the pillow because I can't do that. And the good thing is, at least I am a light sleeper. Madness. All right, well, I'm gonna get myself some sleep, or at least try to. You guys, don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do it. Just don't do it. Just let me do it. So it's almost 8 o'clock in the morning. This is what my blooming face looks like. Yeah, I am a complete and utter mess. Complete and utter mess. My whole face is just grease. Can you see on my forehead? It's like you can see where I've been scratching. I tend to scratch my face during the night. I don't know why. It's just something that I do. I just tend to like scratch the perimeter of my face, and you can see where I've been scratching my forehead, like all the foundation is like coming away from my forehead. All of this area is like completely mashed up. Like the eyeshadow is still there, like the shimmer shadow is definitely still there, but it's like all here, it's come away and it's breaking up here. It's just oil. When I first woke up this morning, my whole, like my eyes just, they were in pain, they were stinging because of like the water in my eyes mixing with some of the foundation and eye product that may have gone into my eyes, so it was just like really stinging. This morning my eyebrows look crazy. Don't any of you do this. If I catch any of you lot doing this, I swear to God we cannot be friends. I'm being extra, of course. This is just ridiculous. I don't know how anyone can sleep in their makeup. You know what I think makes it worse? I think what makes it worse is the fact that I have not blotted at all since yesterday. So all of the oil from when I first applied to now is sitting on my skin. Yikes, that's gross. At least if I had blotted throughout the day, I know that I wouldn't look like this right now, because it's like all of the oil from throughout the 24 hours is still sitting here on my face. Like, I look nuts. Oh, like, can you see up there? You can see some of the eyeshadow has gathered on the top. It's a mess. My poor pores. Oh my gosh, I need to get something to wipe all of this off now. I've just gotten some wipes and I'm just literally going to go at it. Oh, that feels so much better. Already that feels so much better. Like, yikes. And the thing is, I've got somewhere to be, so I have to quickly cleanse and redo my makeup. But I think I'm gonna give my skin like a couple of hours. Probably not, a couple of hours probably isn't gonna do anything anyway, but it will make me feel better, I guess, psychologically. I feel like I've given my skin a breather. But yeah, I'm gonna go and do a deep cleanse and start my day. I really suggest that you guys don't wear your makeup to bed. Don't wear it for more than 12 hours if you can. It's really gross. And I don't think you understand how fresh I feel right now. Oh, and there's like all these tiny little spots that have come up. Like, I do get spots every once in a while, but this is quite a few that have come up now. I'm gonna go clean out my pores. Don't wear your makeup for more than 12 hours if you can. Definitely don't sleep in your makeup because it's just disgusting. Anyway, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you with the next one. Bye.